In this question, we are looking for ways to reduce how much volume of air is trapped in the lungs. We have to understand how to reduce air trapping, and then select the best answer that does not help with reducing air trapping. So let's look at each choice one by one. Option A, decreasing the respiratory rate, is a great way to reduce air trapping because it will give the patient more time to exhale. Option B, increase the flow rate, will also help reduce air trapping because by increasing the flow rate, you shorten the inspiratory time and thus prolong the expiratory time. So like option A, this will give the patient more time to exhale. Letter C, decrease the inspiratory time, will indirectly increase the expiratory time, which will, you guessed it, give the patient more time to exhale. Letter D, increase the tidal volume, will not reduce air trapping. It will do the exact opposite. Now think about it. The patient is trapping a volume of air. Why would you give even more volume to the patient? Therefore, increasing the tidal volume should not be considered, and makes this the best answer.